Raheem, thanks for your patience. First things first, the transit van that you picked out, it is the right vehicle, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right color, right equipment?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we're cool there.
Yes, sir.
Please don't forget a couple things that we've already talked about, but I want to remind you because it all comes with the price that you pay. You've got a 3-year, 36,000-mile comprehensive warranty with that vehicle. I mean, something's going to break anytime soon, somebody else is going to pay for that repair. On the powertrain, it's 5 years, 60,000 miles. You're going to get roadside assistance. How long is roadside assistance? 5 years?
5 years, 60,000.
5 years, 60,000 miles. You know what? That's alone is worth $300 if you had to buy it on the open market. You're going to get Sirius radio. 3 months?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
3 months.
Sirius radio, that's about, say $45 worth of Sirius radio. You can't pay too much for this vehicle, can you?
No.
No, because we gave you a best value guarantee. Remember how that works? You find the same van with the same benefits anywhere else on the planet, advertised for less money, we'll cut you a check back for the difference. We're also going to give you basically a 3-day test drive because what did I tell you could do during the first 3 days or 300 miles?
Bring it back.
Bring it back and exchange it. All that comes with this van. Okay? All right. There's the market price of the vehicle. You've got the resistol we talked about. There's our market adjustment. You've got taxes and fees. This gives you the amount that you're going to finance. Now over here, I'm going to give you choices. Down this side, I'm going to show you the highest payment anywhere in the North Carolina will show you. Okay? The reason I'm doing that is because this payment will save you the most money. It'll build cash value faster, which will give you the opportunity to trade it sooner, and you'll get to the dream payment faster. You know what the dream payment is, don't you?
No payment.
Zero. No payment at all. At 60 months, the payment's going to be way more comfortable. It's also way more flexible because all the cool stuff I talked about up here, you can do down here. You just do it in your own time frame. There is no prepayment penalty. And at 48 months, it's the best of both worlds. Up here, the more money you put down, the fewer the finance charges you'll pay. The quicker you'll pay it off, the lower your payment. Okay? You tell me, first of all, which works best for you, $3,000, $4,000, or $5,000?
I don't have any money today.
Okay, not a problem. I can rewrite this for you. Make no mistake about it. Aha! I can rewrite this for you, but please remember this: when this goes down, these are going to go up. Okay? Any other questions? And go ahead and bitch about that.
Yeah. Well, I feel if you can take some off that $29.95. You wouldn't really need my $3,000 down, and I can keep my payment the same at the $783.
Well, my golly, you, my friend, are a mathematician.
I just
I hear
did
you.
a little good in school. Thanks so much.
I hear you. I hear you. And you're 100% right. However, that's not going to happen. Okay. Raheem, you've been buying cars for a while, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to guess the last time you bought a car was when?
2019.
You didn't pay MSRP, did you?
No, I paid cash for it.
Oh, but you still didn't pay
No, I
MSRP.
didn't. I've got it for wholesale.
And you definitely didn't pay
No,
over MSRP.
No, sir.
No,
At
because
all.
you're an educated buyer.
Pretty much.
So why in the world am I asking you to pay $29.95 over the MSRP? Well, it's basically the law of supply and demand. As you may have noticed when you walked around our lot, we don't have very many new vehicles on this lot.
No, sir.
Yet our expenses haven't changed at all. As a matter of fact, they've gone up. Here's something really cool, okay? I don't want you to take my word for it. I don't want you to take the manufacturer's word for it. I don't want you to take any dealer anywhere's word for it. What I want you to do is I want you to take the word from a website that caters to consumers. This is iccars.com, okay? They gather their information from Edmunds.com, which is another consumer-facing website. What they list here are 14 reasons why cars and trucks are more expensive than they've ever been. Okay, I'm not going to go through all of those with you, but here's what I am going to show you. This is the number of people right now paying over MSRP for new vehicles in this country. 82% of people are paying over MSRP. Now, what about the other 18%? The other 18% are buying vehicles that aren't in very high demand, okay? You happen to pick a vehicle that is in very high demand. However, What are they paying over? They're averaging 10%. Actually 9.9, we'll round up to 10. But look at this, Raheem. If you were looking at a Jeep Wrangler, you'd be paying almost 27% over MSRP. If you were looking at a Ford Bronco, you'd be paying 20 over, yeah, almost 21% over. And look at these. These are crazy numbers. So what I'm going to say next is going to sound a little crazy, but mathematically, and you've already told me you're good at mathematics, it is exactly right. If we charge 10% over this, it'd be $3,300 over MSRP. We're giving you a $400 discount off the market-based price. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you one more time. Want to put down 3, 4, or 5, or you want to stick with 0?
I'll stick with 0.
Then I'm going to go rewrite this. Remember, these are going to go up when this goes down. Cool?
Yes, sir.
And that's how I would do that.
Thank you so much.
Okay?